Good morning, guys. Screen's a little dirty. It's currently 5:40 in the morning. If you guys are long-time viewers, you guys will know why I'm up this early. Either it's one for a cruise, or two, I'm gonna go get dyno-tude. So, by the title of this video, I'm guessing you already know I'm getting dyno-tude. So, tuned. I can't talk. I haven't had my caffeine or coffee this morning. Car's right here. Got to stop for some E85. Got about a 2.5 hour drive on a base map with no boost, so that'll be extremely fun and extremely slow. So we'll definitely get there in 2 hours and 30 minutes or a little more. Coming home will be the fun part, of course. But yeah, let's go ahead and cut to the cinematics. Oh, the jug's behind you. You're not going to be able to...
I look like a skinny kid like you? Come on, man. So here we have Clint's car. Apparently we're going to tune it today and make it go fast. But he doesn't know that we're going to make it go really fast. That's the big thing. Let's see if we can find it. There we jam out. That's Tony. Since I know Clint's gonna like video my RA anyway, I might as well just go ahead and video it. There's my RA. Oh, you gotta do that Clint swoop. That's how you swoop in. You do that swoop down the car. Like that. Or we could go over here. There's Clint, there's Bree-Dog. We slightly work on Subarus. All these Subarus out here. This is Clint. Apparently he has some YouTube channel that nobody knows about. No one. He's only got like 2 followers. Yep. You have a lot more than me. And like 10 Instagram followers. So he needs all the free parts. Mm-hmm. 2 pro. You got anything to say today? No? No? Let's see who else we can find. We can interview more people. There's Troy. He runs the front of the office. 500 horsepower grocery getter. See what happens when you put a GoPro and you try to sneak one in on me thinking that I'm not going to see it?
I knew you would see it. It's right there. You're so much bigger. How much power is it going to make today? 390. 390? Yeah. Is that on the 85? Sure, yeah. I'm going to go with 391. Okay. 391. got a very low boost map, low power base map, whatever, 91 I don't even use. So yeah, so swapped out, put E85 in, and we're about to rock and roll with E85 and see what it does.
Turn my music up, 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 shit bang, shit bang.
Put E85 in, it made 460 by 450, but we ran into a little hiccup, so we're gonna fix that soon. Travis is gonna fix it.
I'll burn the shit out of my hand real quick.
All right, he's gonna burn his hand, so. Just ran into a little hose issue.
Snafu.
But it'll be fixed, so. Car's running pretty well though, so far.
Well, I think that's a wrap for tuning this car. So, have a great day. Isn't that right?
I didn't hear what you said.
What?
What? You stealing all my stuff?
Dude, I was just helping you out getting that photo, bro.
You're closing out the video?
Dude, I got that back off the dyno so you can straight reverse it to look like you're pulling on the dyno. I did it from here.
Okay.
What do you think today?
Pretty good. We hit our numbers, 390.
390?
Mm-hmm.
That's what I'm talking about. I guess 391.
We hit 390.5, so we both tied.
You owe me $1.
Okay.
We'll rip it in half.
All right. You get half?
I get half.
Sounds good.
All right then.
I gotta go pay.
Pay that money.
Shady aftermath. Gee, you near. Damn, baby, all I need is a little bit of this.